Hello everyone, Sheikh Fiza here from ISL Engineering College, EC Department. In this video, we'll discuss about Risc and Cisc. Reduced Instruction Set Computer, which is termed as Risc. Complex Instruction Set Computer, which is termed as Cisc. Complex Instruction Set Computer. To know what is Cisc, we have to go through its characteristics. A large number of instructions, mostly from 100 to 250 instructions it has. Some instructions that perform specialized tasks and are used frequently. These instructions are designed for specific tasks. For example, if we want to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication or division for specialized tasks, instructions are designed. As the instructions are more, so the way of writing the operand or addressing the operand is also going to be more. As it has variety of large addressing modes, typically from 5 to 20 different modes it has. Variable length instruction format. The type of instructions are of variable length because the addressing modes are different. Instructions that manipulate operand in memory are available in the set. It means it can directly manipulate the data into the memory. Reduced Instruction Set Computer, which is Risc. To know what is Risc, we have to go through its characteristics. Before starting the characteristics, I'll tell you that Risc is the opposite of Cisc. Relatively few instructions with respect to Cisc. Relatively few modes. Relatively few addressing modes it has. Memory access is limited for operand, only for two instructions, load and store. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can't be done exactly. Means directly. Addition, subtraction, multiplication can't be done directly in Risc. All operations done within the register of CPU because we don't have excess memory. As there are less number of instructions, so they are of fixed length. Single cycle instruction execution. Control unit in this case of computer is hardwired rather than microprogrammed control. As we have less instructions, less addressing modes, as there is no direct access of memory. Use of overlapped register windows to speed up procedure called and return. Efficient instruction pipeline. Compiler supports for transfer of high level to machine level language program only. Now we'll discuss the differences between Cisc and Risc. Cisc, Risc. Cisc stands for Complex Instruction Set Computer. Risc stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computer. Large set of instructions with variable format. It has nearly 16 to 64 bits per instruction. Small set of instruction with fired format. It has only 32 bits. Data is transferred from memory to memory. But in Risc, data is transferred from register to register, memory to register, register to memory. Memory-based instructions are used. Register-based instructions are used. It takes time to execute instructions because it may have multiple instructions in each instruction as the size of instruction is very large. They can execute their instructions very fast because instructions are very small and simple. It contains large number of complex instructions. It contains small number of simple and basic instructions from which more complex instructions can be produced. Cisc has a microprogramming control unit. Risc has hardwired control unit. Cisc calculations are slow and precise. Risc calculations are fast and more precise. Execution time is very high in Cisc. Execution time is very less in Risc. It is used in low-end applications such as security system, home automation, desktop, laptops, etc. It is used in high-end applications like videos, processing, telecommunication, and image processing, mobile phones, tablets, etc. Many addressing modes are available in Cisc. Few addressing modes are available in Risc. Pipelining is difficult in Cisc. Pipelining is easy due to equal length instructions. Any instruction can access memory in Cisc, but only load and store instructions can be accessed memory in Risc. Example for Cisc are System 360, VAX, PDP-11. Example for Risc are MIP. Example for Risc are SPARC, Alpha, PowerPC, HPPA. Hardware-centric design, software-centric design. Simple register set, 16 to 16 registers. Risc has multiple register sets, more than 256 registers it has. Many support microcode. Microprogramming where instructions are treated like small programs in Cisc. Only one layer of instructions. Has complex instruction so the program length is short. It has simple instructions so the program length is long. Require minimum amount of RAM and makes efficient use of memory. Require more RAM. Needs better hardware and powerful progress. Less costly hardware would also work. Now here I'll give you the examples to approach Cisc. So in Cisc approach, first we'll go to the instruction, how to write the instruction and how to perform the operation. So here I have given the instruction multiply, mult, M-U-L-T. In multiply, I have taken the two memory locations, 203 and 502. These 203 and 502 are known as the memory locations. Now we'll perform the operation, how it performs the operation in Cisc. First, we have to load the two operands into separate registers. The first operand is 203 and the second operand is 502. Then we'll multiply the operands in execution unit. Again, we'll store the output, after multiplying whatever the output we got, we'll store it in temporary register. Finally, we'll store value back to the memory location 203. I'll explain you Risc approach. How the Risc approach is differed from Cisc approach. So first we'll write the instruction. In instruction, I have given the load word and store word. As I have told you before that Risc has only two instructions, load and store. So in load, I have given it two memory locations 203 and 502, which I have named as A and B. Then multiply AB. Then I have given stored word 203, which is A. So you'll understand this when I'll explain you the operations. So in this operation, first we have to load operand 1 in the register A. Means we have to load 203 in the register A. Then we have to load 502 in the register B. Then we have to multiply the operand 203 and 502 in the execution unit, and we have to store the result in A. It means we have to store whatever the value result we got, we have to store it in store word. Then finally, the stored value of A is given back to memory location 203. Whatever the value we have stored, again it is given back to 203, which is the memory location. So these were the differences between Risc and Cisc and the characteristics of Cisc and Risc. Thank you for watching this video.